Welcome learners to Form 3 Mathematics. I would like us to look at Trigonometry 2 and specifically how to apply sine rule and cosine rule, Form 3 work. Let us look at this diagram. You are given a triangle here, a big triangle, and a smaller one there. You are given this side, you are given this side, you are given an angle there and an angle there of 18 degrees. Then you are told, find to the nearest two decimal places, Roman 1, the length PQ. Length PQ. PQ is this one of the sides of triangle PQR. It is one of the sides of this triangle here. So how do you find this side, learner? Here, what are you given? You are given this side, you are given this side 20, and you are given an angle there. 52, an included angle. It is in between two given sides, 20 and 35. There is an angle here. How do you get this side? You are given this side and this side and an included angle. To get this side, learner, you use cosine rule. So use cosine rule. If you are given two sides and an included angle, to get the side opposite the angle, you use cosine rule. So how do you use cosine rule? The first thing is to label our triangle here, learner. If this angle here is Q, the side opposite it, we give it small q. If this angle is Q, this side is small q. If this angle is R, this side here is small r. Okay, learner? If this angle here of this triangle is P, the opposite side, which is 20, is small p. You need to know how to label the sides. From there, learner, we want to use cosine rule to get r. So you start with this side that you want. You talk of r squared, learner, remember, is equals to q squared, one side squared, the other side squared added. You look at that, r squared is equals to q squared plus p squared minus 2, it's a formula, learner, cosine rule, times q, you can start with this q, times p, and then cos of angle r here, cos of angle r. Cosine rule. Just that. R squared is equals to Q squared, one side that you are given, plus P squared minus 2QP, cos of this angle there. So you just now substitute. R squared is equals to 35 squared plus 20 squared minus 2, learner. 35 is your Q, P is 20, cos of 52, cos of 52, and therefore learner, r squared is equals to what? This is 1225 plus 400 minus, you work out all this, you get 861.93. It's the nearest two decimal places there. So working out this, learner, r squared is equals to 1625 minus 861.93. What would be your r squared? R squared, learner, will be equal to, subtract these, you get 763.07. And therefore, if r squared is this, learner, what is your r? You find square root, like that. So your r is 27.62 centimeters. That is our side PQ, which is given letter R. From there, learner, you go to the second question. Find angle RQS. RQS, where is it, learner? RQS. It is this angle here, this small angle there. What is it? How do you find this angle? If you look at this small triangle here, you have 18 there, you want this. Do you have this? No, but you can get it. If this is 52, learner, angles on a straight line add up to 180. So it will be 180 minus 52. and so this angle will be 128 degrees. So this is 128 degrees. And therefore, learner, angles in a triangle, look at this, angles in a triangle add up to 180. So you talk of 180 minus the sum of these to get that angle. So come and write here that this is 180 minus the sum of the two angles that are already there. And therefore this is 180, learner, minus 140, what? 6 degrees, which gives you 34 degrees, learner. That. Maybe we can indicate that there, that this is 34 degrees. We can also fix our R. It may help us as you calculate, go fixing these values like that. So we go to part 3, learner. You can write here. Part 3. What are you told in part 3? Find length RS. Find length RS. Where is RS? RS is here, learner. RS. This length here, RS. How do we find it? We come here. It is one of the sides of this small triangle here, learner. What small letter can we give it? Considering this small triangle here, if this is angle Q, the opposite side, learner, is small q. So we abbreviate it again with small q. If this is angle Q, this is small q. If this is S, this is small s, the opposite, small s. If this is R, this is small r, like that. We are just considering this time. So, which formula do you use here? You want this side, learner, and opposite angle. The opposite angle is 34. Look at that. Q and 34. What else are you given in this triangle? You have this side here and the opposite angle. So in this case, learner, number 3, you use sine rule. You use sine rule. Sine rule states that Q, look at this, learner, Q, this side, divide by sine of the opposite angle. So Q over sine Q, look at that. Q over sine Q is equals to, we can use this side here, we call it what? S. Using this triangle, we call it S. S, small s over sine S. Sine rule. And therefore we can talk of Q, we want our S, remember, we want our RS. Q over the angle opposite is 34, so sine 34 is equals to what, learner? It is equals to S, which is 20, 20 over sine 18. 20 over sine 18, you just substitute correctly. Q over sine this is equals to 20 over sine 18. Cross multiply, learner. Cross multiply, we get Q sine 18 is equals to what? 20 sine 34. Look at that. And therefore from there, to make Q the subject, divide by sine 18 on both sides. Sine 18, like that. This and this cancels out. And therefore, learner, what is your Q? You use a calculator here, divide accurately, you'll get 36.19 centimeters. And therefore, that is your RS. Come and fix it here. You may need it, 36.19 centimeters. Look at that. Sine rule. We go to part 4, learner. Part 4, what are we asked? Find the area of triangle QRS. Look at this. Find the area of triangle QRS. This small triangle on this side. QRS. How can we find it? We have an angle here, 128, learner. We have this side, which is 36.16. We have got it, 36.16. And we also have this other side. Learner, it means that you have an included angle here, you are given this side and you are given this side. So which formula do you normally use if you are given an angle here, call it theta, you are given this side and you are given this side? We use the formula a half AB sine theta, the form to work, learner. And therefore we apply the same here. Let me write it here. So in this case, learner, we talk of area of triangle. QRS is a half AB sine theta. Let me just write it like that. And therefore it will be a half times one of the sides. Let me make it better this way. So the area will be a half times this side, 36.19, times this other side, which is 20. Here, there it is. Sine what? Sine of the included angle, 128 degrees. So I hope you have got that. A half AB sine theta. That formula. You use a calculator properly, and therefore you should get 285.18 centimeters squared. That is the area of our triangle QRS. God bless you, learner, as you go practice this question and more others, or many others. Such questions come carrying 10 marks. Go and practice. God bless you.